Industry 4.0 and what this means for leaders of companies today and tomorrow. Let's take a brief look at the evolution of industrial production. Today, Industry 4.0 brings its own change challenges. There are 5 key radical changes to our environment that require a new type of leadership. It is termed Leadership 4.0. Younger and dynamic companies are constantly emerging, challenging market leaders. Leadership 4.0 means spotting and reacting quickly to new competition on the horizon. Hierarchy opposes change. The structures of today will not suit the companies of tomorrow. Leadership 4.0 means flatter structures to free up decision-making and keep communication flowing. Soon, machines will be able to control their own production and logistics. Leadership 4.0 harnesses the talents of individuals to maximize on new technological advancements. In the present, we're used to being constantly connected. For the future, we have to take another giant leap. Leadership 4.0 optimizes hyperconnectivity, exploiting machinery that can make decisions without our intervention using the internet as the communication platform. Managing change on this scale requires open and honest communication to offset fears of the future. Leadership 4.0 places transparency at the heart of any change project. Preparing for Industry 4.0 will mean the difference between an agile and a fragile organization. Leadership 4.0 supports robust and strategic planning, from having a destination in mind before the map of how to get there. From proactive planning over responding reactively, to promoting a culture of engaging with your people. To change readiness, understanding how fit your company is for change. Leadership 4.0 knows the more we can engage everyone in change, the more likely we are to succeed. We call it communicating to the head, heart, and hand. A leader will need to show how change is going to be executed. Communicate by answering the why question. This is what engages your people. As leaders and managers, we have to have our hand outstretched at all times to guide our people.